Hi and welcome to another video update of Dividends Daily. The fourth month of 2021 is gone and dividend income was made. Income that I didn't have to work for, but my money made for me. And I will keep making it as long as the shares I'm holding keep paying dividends, and it will keep growing as long as I keep investing a monthly amount into my portfolio and or the companies raise their dividends and or by reinvesting the dividends. The last part is the ingredient that speeds up the process. I want you to picture the dividend income growth like the rolling of a small snowball down a snow-covered hillside. And at this point, I'm about to finish forming the snowball in my hands and let it roll. If you're not patient, dividend investing is not for you, unless you are rich, but then I guess you wouldn't be watching YouTube videos on how I make $30 a month. Before we begin with a portfolio value update, I would like to say welcome to the new subscribers, or I should better say fellow investors. So welcome, and I hope you find the content interesting. At this moment of the recording, the 2nd of May 2021, it sits at $12,800, out of which 23.54% is unrealized gains at $2,438. Let's look at the last companies that paid me dividends in April since the previous episode. So I got 11 cents from Armor Residential, which is a monthly payer, $1.15 from Cisco Systems, 18 cents from Invesco Mortgage Capital, $1.02 from NetApp, $1.61 from New York Mortgage Trust, $4.09 from Simon Property Group, and the tiny position in Cisco gave me 8 cents. That brings the total for April 2021 at $31.53, making April my second highest paying month so far. As you can see, the custody fee for May is already added at $1.24. Now let's look at the year's totals. I've just reached $123.60 in the first 4 months of 2021, which is $2 above the total dividends made in 2020. I'm also at 1/3 of the way to hit the prediction I've made for total 2021 dividend at $380. Stay tuned. Looking at the graphs, even though most of my holdings are quarterly payers, I've managed to equalize the payments nicely. I'm averaging at $31 a month for 2021. And this is the total progress from the first 57 cents in April 2020 to the $31 this April. Moving to the pay dates calendar, which is now updated for April as it is over, I managed to get paid 13 out of the 21 possible pay dates. And this is an estimate of May pay date. Let's see. Small note here, there are days that I get dividends from more than one company. I have at the moment 80 different holdings in total. I would say well over diversified. I guess I will at some point cut down to the best performing ones, but I don't know when that day is going to be yet. Let me know in the comments how many holdings do you keep in your portfolio. In this list, you can see the companies I'm holding that will have their ex-dividend dates on weeks 18 and 19, as well as their yield and the estimated pay dates for Revolut. Feel free to pause for details. An important note here, this part only makes sense close to the time I post the video, that means before the week I'm referring to. Otherwise the numbers change all the time and they will become soon completely irrelevant. Since last week's episode, I increased my positions, as you can see, in 7 of my existing holdings, but I also added one new position in Regions Financial Corp, ticker symbol RF. $180 bought me 8.26 shares at $21.79 a share. RF has a dividend yield of 2.8%, ex-date the 13th of May and payout date the 18th of May for Revolut. They have been increasing their yield for 8 years in a row. That was all for now. Until the next time, remember to stay positive and never compare your progress to others. Bye.